Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to make this into a clock. This is a pour I did on a vinyl record, and I did spray this already with enamel spray, and now we're going to basically go ahead and add some numbers, and then we're going to add in the clock thing. So one of the difficulties with this is making sure you get the numbers straight. So I recommend kind of making a, I don't know, maybe a bit of a plus sign here. You can, of course, do more accurate ways of measuring than this, absolutely. But it's definitely important to get it as close as possible. And then I'm using this as an enamel paint marker. It's intended for glass, but I'm going to use it for this. And after I put the numbers on here, I will apply another level of sealer as well. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to, you know what we're going to do? That'll come right off. We're going to go ahead and do Roman numerals just to be cool. So we'll do $12. You can paint these on, you can use stickers, you can use all kinds of things. All right, so there's our 12. Then down here, we'll add our 6. That's not showing up very well. I may need black. Okay. Got a 12 and a 6. And then now let's add our 3 over here. And then our 9. Okay, I think that's pretty straight. Looking good. I'm gonna actually go ahead and grab a black marker. I think that's what I'm gonna need on here, or I may actually even just paint these on here. 1 second. Okay, yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and paint these on. Like I said, you can probably use a stencil or stickers or different. Some of the clock kits actually come with the numbers, but I don't mind it being hand done. I think it's kind of cool. Adds a little more character. There we go. That's a lot easier to see. You never know till you try. It's all good. Perfect. And of course you can add in all of the numbers if you want. I'm just gonna stick with these, at least for now. Sorry guys, the video cut out. Basically, we just need to make the hole a little bit bigger with a knife or anything like that. So here we go. I'm sure even some scissors will work, so we're gonna try that. Because basically it's just vinyl, so it's a soft material. If you are resining your clock before doing this, I would make the hole bigger before resining it. And it doesn't take a lot. Let's see if that's enough. Nope, a little bit more. I'm not going to make you guys watch this whole part, but literally that's it. I'm just going to be gently turning this back and forth until the hole is large enough for this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and install the clock hands now. I'm using this one, clock movement kit that I got from Michael's, and this part's kind of important here. So it says 3/8 inch movement with medium hands. That part's not important, the medium hands part, but the 3/8, because you'll have ones that have different lengths that they stick up, and obviously this is pretty thin, so we don't want one that goes up too high. So we just go ahead and we put this through here. It is going to stick up. You may be able to get one that's a bit smaller, but for our purposes, this will work just fine. So we're putting that through there. And then we're going to put our washers on here. These just kind of hold it in place. And then, yeah, just follow the instructions on your kit. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just put all the hands and everything back on here. And there we go. That's literally it. Other than now you need to put a battery in it and you need to set it to the correct time, which it has instructions on the back for that. But that's it. And then you would hang it from this little hook on the back here. And mind you, I will be finishing the back of this too. So I'm actually going to take this back off and finish up the back of this. And then this will be completely ready to go. And I'm going to apply one more layer of sealer. I just wanted to show you guys how it would look. So let's say the time is actually ticking. Would look something like this. Very nice. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.